Hi, I'm Ellen and I'm a curator here at St Fagans National Museum of History. Welcome to the textile storeroom where we keep in excess of 15,000 items of dress and textiles. Well, as it's the centenary of the Representation of the People's Act, I thought today we could take a closer look at one key object from the collection. This rather amazing and frightening anti-suffrage doll. We don't know much about her history. We don't know who made it. We don't know who received it. But according to the documentation that we have, this doll was sent anonymously to a suffragette in West Wales. So it was obviously made by somebody who had hatred towards those women who were seeking the right to vote. Her head is made from a ping pong ball and her features have been painted in black ink. She's got a rather masculine look to her, but she is typical of the anti-suffrage propaganda that was being distributed in Wales and beyond in this period. You see caricatures of women on posters and postcards, but this doll is rather unusual in that she's handmade and is therefore very rare and ephemeral.